Sometimes you will have a problem on a purchase or a sale that needs to be explained to a client carefully. You need to go to the client and say, we have this issue, but this is how we're going to resolve it. If that's been explained throughout the transaction and it falls down or collapses for whatever reason, but you've explained to the client and parties around that, unfortunately, this isn't going to work because of X, Y, Z, that's also very frustrating for all parties concerned, that would be acceptable. What I would say is not agreeable is where a client may not have been able to get hold of their solicitor, they're having trouble communicating, they don't understand, and that's why they're frustrated. If you're not happy about something, you must tell your solicitor, either by email or on the phone, and make sure that is addressed properly and make sure you're happy with it. And if you're not, you're at liberty to choose who you wish to go to afterwards.
And is there any mechanism in law firms to make a complaint, perhaps?
Yes, there is, yes. This should all be outlined in your initial letter you get from your solicitor. Within that will be information about a complaint procedure and what happens if you have any issues that you're not happy with. You must look at that carefully, and if there is an issue, you must follow that complaint procedure and they will respond to you and take it from there. You normally have a certain amount of time as a solicitor's firm to respond to a complaint, but we would always hopefully try and speak to the client before to see if it can be resolved before it goes down a formal complaint.